DoReMi Garage Door Replacement Golden CO capable to help you save money if you work with us and have a new garage door installed. We will allow you to hunt down the very best door for your own home or commercial property, after which we'll order it. Once we get the door, we'll bring it to you personally and install it. Then, you'll discover why we are near the top of our game in relation to installing garage doors, as yours can look fantastic. You want one to be happy, so that we only deal with installing doors that are an excellent price and which will get noticed for all the right reasons.